What's good, my people? Today we are going to talk about GBPUSD. Let us do the market review of GBPUSD. As you can see, this at the time of the silver bullet, this low wasn't taken out yet, but the market had already shown the signs that it was willing to go down by making a nice market structure shift here. As you can see, this is a very nice market structure shift. The low to this high was violated here. Then the market retraced but failed to reach this fair value gap. It was really heavy on the bearish move and it went down to this fair value gap. And as you can see, this is the 15-minute time frame. This fair value gap also worked as an inverted fair value gap to support the price to go down, then finally reaching this objective. So we can dig in the 1 minute time frame and see how we could capitalize on that. These blue line markings are the markings of the silver bullet time frame, and as you can see, the market started to retrace up, taking out this liquidity here, this high. After that, when it took out this high, it started reversing downwards. And as you know, on the bigger perspective, the 15-minute time frame, the market was on a bearish move. So this movement is just a small movement of price to reprice on the discount side, going to premium again. And as you can see here, this whole movement, market took out this high. On this whole movement, we can push. After taking out this high, it formed another high here and started retracing downwards. How we identify that the price is going to the other direction, it formed a nice market structure shift here, of which we're putting a fib here so that we can identify the perfect place to enter the trade, which is this golden zone after this market structure shift. And when it formed a low, the market retraced to this 75% level and retraced to this fair value gap here. The fib is only a tool that we use to measure the price from discount to premium so that we can know the perfect place to get in the trade. And as you can see, this is a very nice order block which resisted the price from taking out this high. You could have taken your trade, a nice sell trade here, a short position here, putting your stop loss on that high where it was far from being reached, aiming for this low and the low that we saw here, and the low that we saw here, to maximize your profit, which was finally reached after the silver bullet time window was already complete. On this silver bullet time, you can enter on the silver bullet time, but you can still hold the trade to your objective mostly, since you know the draw to liquidity and the way price book. You can just do that, and it's not a must that the trade to last only on the silver bullet time zone, but you can just hold it and let it run till it reaches your objective here. And as you can see, it reached the objective here and started reversing, creating a nice market structure shift here, then went up, took out this liquidity, then went further up. I think it took out this liquidity on the London session high. And with that, let us meet with the next video. Be safe.